Hi guys, thank you for stopping by at my channel Experimental Gardening. Today's video is about saving your snake plant which is outdoor but it cannot tolerate the cold temperature, so you have to bring it indoor. So this plant I bought like is 6 months before, so I want to keep it indoor in water. So what I will do, I will take it out from the spot and remove all the soil attached to the roots, and then I will wash it with some water so that maximum soil is removed from the roots, because I don't want to take indoor any pests uh, which will is which will not be good for your indoor environment. So you can see this plant has so many roots, and I'm going to remove the soil now. It has also two baby plants. One leaf was accidentally broken by me, so I just put it in this soil, and that leaf in 6 months produced two little baby plants. I will show you when I will clean off all them. The leaf is going to die a little bit from the top, like 25-30% of the leaf has become brown, but it is giving the nutrient to the baby plants. So these baby plants are growing side by side, and I will put them in water also with the mother plant. So I have removed most of the soil now. You can see I have made in two parts. This is the two baby plants which are growing with their one leaf. That is the mother of these two plants. So after removing the soil, just trim the roots if you want, then put in a container which has some water so that the soil will become loose and it will be easy for you to remove the soil. After removing, just wash it with the pressure water so the maximum soil is uh, not there. So you can trim the roots. I see it has a long root. I don't need during the storing in the winter time indoor. So I will take out the maximum roots what I can take it out, because I'm not going to grow it indoor bigger plant. I just want to keep it alive so that I can put it outside in the summer. So you can see the roots, they are not much roots. I'm going to put it in this glass of water, both of them. This is other one, you can see it has like two babies. So guys, in this way you can save your snake plant and keep indoor, and they will survive during the winter. Then in the next spring when the weather starts warming up, you can put them outside. So thank you guys. I hope you like this video and you will also save your snake plant. Okay, if you like my video, kindly subscribe, share with your family and friends, so I will feel appreciated. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video. Till then, bye.